I've never seen this boy do.
Alright guys, we are over by Town West Shopping Center. That is one hell of a homeless setup there.
Lady
hiding her face, embarrassed. Poor thing. And this, right here, we just happen to be over in this neighborhood, and so I thought I'd show you. This is the Waffle House, where I saw the devil. In the flesh. Sitting at a bar stool right there about 3 o'clock in the morning. Sitting in Sapulpa right now. We've spotted FEMA.
FEMA children.
They're sitting at the high school, at Sapulpa High School. Alright, here we are. Beginning of the swim season. We got floaters. Got muck on the steps, some random floating object over here, and look at all that nastiness. So, let's get started. First things first, we're replacing the old hose because I'm pretty sure we had a leak in it. And leaky hose is no good. So we got 8 foot of it. We only needed 6. Hope that's all we need. That's still trying to kink, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's trying to be kind of kinky. I didn't bring my tape measure. It's in the van though.
It's kind of satisfying.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, I don't cut myself, it is.
Yeah. Bendy hose.
Bendejos, what?
I said bendy hose. Not bendy hose. It's gonna be like a jet right here. It'll work. Maybe.
I gotta get this all tightened up here. Sat laid up, it's already leaks.
Where'd you get this hose up?
That is a crappy hose I got from Cushing last year. Don't work worth a squat.
It doesn't?
No. Matter of fact, brand new this hose leaked.
Really?
Yeah.
Garbage.
Pure garbage.
Pure?
Yes.
Not old garbage, pure garbage.
I would
Well,
say
that's
it's
perfect.
not the pool store's fault, but they are the ones selling the inferior hose. It looks like it came off a Walmart catalog. That up a little bit.
You're probably right, if I'm being honest.
Anybody want some weed? Look at that knife up there. Let's stick it back in my pocket.
Yeah, it's in your pocket.
That works so good.
It really did work pretty well, didn't it?
Yeah.
It was.
Fighting it.
Yeah. So we're gonna use the same hose, the rest of the hose from there.
Yes.
It looks like it'll work.
If it's not,
Yeah. It'll work. If it's not, I'm gonna. It's like a macaroni noodle.
yeah.
Macaroni.
Margarita cool.
Margarita. Macarena.
Oh, that slides on so easy.
Alright, yeah, that's what she said. Oh man. The more you know. Put it out the hole.
Ain't that fancy. Alright.
I can fire up and see how these.
Yet.
Why not?
We got more work to do.
I gotta.
Now, when you're doing your electrical here, maybe, first thing you want to do is make sure the power is off. The best way to do that, grab both your black wires, touch them together, and then touch something metal, and if you don't get shocked, your power's off.
Oh yeah.
Now, if you get shocked, you gotta turn your power off before you get shocked twice.
Yeah.
There, squashing those two together.
Oh yeah, you betcha.
Tighten it down. As they say in German, get it gut and tight.
Oh god.
Like it.
That was bad.
Bad.
Yep. Pretty bad.
One of my best jokes.
Yeah, I'm sure. Dad jokes with dad.
Dad jokes are just dad jokes. Most important thing.
What?
Well, when you're done with this,
Probably need to wrap the, yeah, that's what I was about to say.
go ahead and run your electrical tape around this. That way, when it fails, and it's going to fail,
Yeah, you just gotta know.
hopefully you don't accidentally electrocute yourself when you're reaching in here to grab it.
Yeah.
There we go.
Perfect. Yeah, that cheap new one is not good for it. So that just like flips the switch.
Yeah.
But like you don't have to like actually flip the switch.
Yeah, you don't have to lift that little doohickey.
Why would you buy that? I don't understand.
Why would you buy what?
Why would you do that?
Do what?
Why would you buy that to go over a light switch?
This?
Yeah.
To make your light switch waterproof.
Okay.
And before, you had to lift this stupid thing up and then hit it back and forth. And this thing is always trying to smash down on your finger. It's really annoying. You know how hard that hits? Ow!
You actually
See?
got yourself.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, it hurts. It's slimy like lake water.
It looks slimy. Satisfying.
Is that satisfying?
Yeah, pretty satisfying.
It's nasty. All right, well, I'm going to wrap it up right there today. Sorry about the poor audio quality. One of these days, I'm going to get that fixed. I do have a lapel mic I'm going to order here pretty soon, so we can, or a live mic, yeah, like hangs on my shirt, so you won't have to deal with that crappy audio anymore. Anyway, we got the pull completed. I ran a whole lot of shock through it, so you're going to have to watch that tomorrow. It gets kind of cool and some other antics going on. Anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.